How to check someone's Snap score without adding them. So if you want to check someone's Snap score without adding them, then let's see if it's possible or not. So if you open up your Snapchat and go with search, which is on the top left, and search for a person, a new person, that's not your friend. Once you search, you will have this kind of interface, right? So Snap score is a feature on Snapchat that shows the total number of snaps you've sent and received. However, Snap score visibility is limited if both users haven't added each other as friends. Neither of them will be able to see the other's Snap score. The same applies if one user has blocked to remove the other. One way to indirectly check someone's Snap score is by looking at mutual friends' profile. If you have mutual friends with the person whose Snap score you want to check, you can view their friend's Snap score on their profile. If you're comfortable, you can simply ask the person directly for their Snap score. Sometimes a direct approach is the best way to get the information you're looking for. It's important to respect the other people's privacy on Snapchat. If someone hasn't added you as your friend, then you'll not be able to know the Snap score. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.